Durga Prasad Khatri, born on July 12, 1895 in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, was a renowned Hindi literator and the son of Devaki Nandan Khatri, famous for the novel Chandrakanta. Durga Prasad excelled in science and mathematics, passing the school leaving examination in 1912 with special merit before beginning his literary career. He authored over 24 novels across various genres, including Tilasmi, detective, social, and novels on extraordinary events. His works vividly depicted social issues, Indian culture, and human values reflecting the Indian revolutionary movement. Durga Prasad Khatri passed away on October 5, 1974. On July 12, 1961, heavy rains led to the catastrophic failure of the newly built Tanaji Sagar Dam near Pune. The dam, constructed on the Ambi River to alleviate food grain shortages, filled to capacity and developed a major crack. Despite the army's efforts to stabilize it with sandbags, the dam's wall ultimately broke, flooding Pune and causing widespread destruction. Although the exact death toll remains unknown, estimates suggest that at least 1,000 people perished and many were left homeless. The disaster submerged much of the city and marked a tragic chapter in Pune's history. On July 12, 1823, the Indian-built steamship Dinah was inaugurated in Calcutta. Constructed by the East India Company, Dinah was India's first steamship and represented cutting-edge technology of the time. Powered by a steam engine fueled by coal or wood, Dinah offered greater speed and independence from wind compared to traditional sailing ships. Built in a Calcutta shipyard, Dinah played a crucial role in transporting passengers and goods operating in India's inland waterways and coastal areas. This innovation marked a revolutionary change in trade and transportation during British rule.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On July 12, 1960, Bhagalpur and Ranchi universities were established in Bihar. Bhagalpur University, now known as Tilka Manjhi Bhagalpur University, offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses across literature, science, commerce, and technology. It has been a hub for scholars and researchers, contributing significantly to education since its inception. Ranchi University, after Jharkhand's formation, serves over 1.6 lakh students through 22 postgraduate departments, 19 constituent colleges, and 47 affiliated colleges. It also houses research institutes, fostering innovation and research advancements in Jharkhand. On July 12, 2012, Dara Singh, the legendary freestyle wrestler and iconic actor, passed away in Mumbai. Renowned for his unbeaten record of 500 wrestling matches, Dara Singh achieved global fame by winning the Commonwealth World Championship in 1959. Transitioning to acting in 1952, he became a household name for his portrayal of Hanuman in the film Bajrang Bali and later in Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana. Dara Singh was also the first Indian wrestler nominated to the Rajya Sabha. His film career included memorable roles in classics like Faulad, Rustam-e-Hind and Mard. His legacy endures in Indian cinema and wrestling history.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.